gwaps, andito kami sa street sa mga bahay ng mga mayaman.
Seashell seashores by the seashore. Seashells.
Hello, I am Catherine with the brill.
Meisje met de bril.
Maisha with the brill. Catherine with the brill. And here is the little Catherine with the eyeglasses.
Ook met de bril.
Ook met de bril. And this is the
De man die
De
ons
man.
drinken
Oké.
gaat doen en dan moeten we proeven.
The man who can see good. No glass.
Nee, maar vroeger had jij bril, papa. Vroeger
I-
had papa bril.
I have eyeglasses, but I only have -1 problem with this eye.
Niet goed.
And she has also eyeglasses. He doesn't have eyeglasses, but he's the one who has the bad eyes.
Bad eyes.
Huh? Ano yun?
Wala lang yan siya eyeglasses kasi nagpa laser sa kanyang mata, pero siya yung bad eyesight talaga, mga gwaps. I-try na ako tong kini nga eyeglasses kay sayang man, pero pag susuotin ko mas lalong malabo man. So, pag ganyan medyo malabo. Pag ganyan, okay. Pero suotin ko lang kay para kuan ba kanang style. Pandasig ba? Dasig ayo. Woohoo! Char. Mag-lipstick sa ko, mga gwaps, kay medyo kuan man. Luspad ang bait.
Ja, als we hebben gedronken, dan moeten we ook raden wat voor drink het is.
Yeah. Si Bana, magkuan siya. Maglinis siya doon sa...
Maar hoezo hoor ik het eigenlijk ook hier?
Oh yeah, that Lula is calling.
Hi. How are you, Chloe? Good. Hi, Lola.
Iba basta. So, how are you, Lula? Wa, kay sa banduman. Oh, ngaman. Kain tayo, mga gwaps. Chloe have made something. Maliit, oh. She cooked this. Ang hulog na.
Uh-oh.
She cooked this with her little kitchen. Ayan, this is her little kitchen. She has a microwave, the oven, tapos yung fridge. Yung fridge niya, mayroong mga ice.
Kijk, hier komt ijs uit.
Tada! These are the ice. This one. Diba? And nagluto siya ng
I made that.
Ayan. Niluto niya. Masira. Hala! Nahulog! Lug!
Ja, dit is de warme salade en dit is de koude salade.
Oh.
Maakt niks uit.
And she also made a
Made a bracelet.
bracelet.
Ocean.
Ocean.
But later, we will do a challenge.
Yeah, and we will put it on Chloe's channel. And what is your channel?
Chloe's Adventures.
What?
Chloe's Adventure Field Dutch.
Chloe's Adventure Field. What the heck? You kiss my lubot. Yeah. She kissed my lubot.
No.
Why is your bracelet ocean? Because it's made of
This. Seashell.
What?
Seashells.
Yeah, seashells. Dumar the tongue twister.
She sells seashells by the seashore.
She sells seashells by the seashore.
She sells seashells by the seashore. Nee.
Okay, mommy. Faster. She sells seashells by the seashore. Seashells, seashells, seashell.
She sells seashells by the seashore. Seashells, seashells.
Ganun eh.
Seashells, seashells.
Seashells. En jij dan, honey?
Ze verkoopt schelpen bij de strand. Ze verkoopt schelpen bij het strand.
What?
That's Dutch.
That's Dutch. She sells seashells by the seashore.
Ja. Sells is verkopen. Seashore is strand. En seashells is schelpen. Zo, ze verkoopt schelpen bij het strand. Ze verkoopt schelpen bij het strand.
What the? Dat is geen tongue twister. Jongen.
You want English?
Ja.
She sells seashores by the seashore. She sells seashells by the seashore. Cut it out.
Seashore.
She sells seashore by the seashore.
She sells seashells by the seashore. She sells seashells by the seashore.
She sells seashells in the seashore. In the sea. I got the eye of the tiger, dancing to the fire. 'Cause I am the champion.
So mga guaps, lalagyan ko ng ito, wallpaper, yung ito yung likod ng cabinet na to, yung inassemble ko last time. Ayan siya, oh. This one, I will put this at the back. Kasi para siyang, hindi maganda tignan. It's the same as this one, oh mga guys. Ayan. So, ididikit ko lang to. Kaya, let's do it! Ik wil het zo doen. Ik wil het helemaal hier. Sabi ko sa kanya, ako lang magawa kasi ayaw ko yung may kontrabida sa ginagawa ko. Pero ngayon, struggle is real. May stress din yan siya sa akin kasi gusto ko yung precise talaga, yung sakto talaga yung pagkalagay. Ewan ko, parang nai-stress din ako kapag hindi siya pantay. Pero, hindi naman natin ma-perfect yan kasi nobody's perfect. Kaya, hayaan na lang. Ating! Nagsandahan. Ayan, ganyan siya mga gaps of. Kalahati lang kasi hindi kasya yung wallpaper para matakpan lang yung likod ng ng cabinet. So ayan na siya mga gaps. Tada! Half lang yan. Yung kalahati walang wallpaper. Walang takip. Para matakpan lang yung dito. Mga gaps. Eric wants to throw something.
How can I throw here?
Baliktad pala. Tingnan nyo. Jij hebt ook fout. This is papier.
Oh ja, sorry.
Duh.
Nee, dat is plastic.
Nee. Papers here. Yan. So, baliktad pala yung pagkalagay ko mga guwaps. Wala yung pedal dito. Nasa likod pala. Wait lang. Ganyan, wala dapat. Ganyan. Ayun o. Tada! Tada! Maganda yung weather, hindi mainit. Ayun. Matangkad yan, mga guwaps. So, pinutulan niya. So, ayan. Maglinis pa kami dito. So, ayan si Chloe. Chloe is watching, shorts. YouTube shorts. Hi, Nak.
Hi.
This is what your eye color says about me.
Ayan si Vanna. Eric.
Mooi lintje voor jou.
What's this? Sa mga guwaps, today is Papa's birthday. Naghanda sila, yung mga kapatid ko, sila mama doon sa Pinas. Ayan yung picture niya. So, mag-grocery kami ngayon mga guwaps. Pupunta kami sa Plus na grocery store. Kasama namin syempre si Enday Badiday. Let's buy. So, let's go. Yan, dyan tayo pupunta sa Plus. What's up? Zit vast.
Ja, dat is goed.
Okay. Yeah. Let's see if she can do. Oh, so snel. And it.
Eerst kijken, dan kiezen en dan openpakken dicht.
Ah, okay. Dus eerst kijken wat wil je eten.
Papa, we hebben carbonara. Ik ga de brood halen. Hier is de brood. Dit? Hebben we deze nodig? Of?
Zie je dat? Wit?
Ja. Oké, ik ga ook weer iets halen. En dat zijn zoetjes voor papa. Maar ik zei niet tegen mijn vader wat het is. Want ik wil hem verrassen. En hij heeft dat nodig. Want deze die wij nu hebben is op. Ja, ik doe mijn gezicht heel dichtbij. Want als... Ik wil even dat ik tegen mezelf praat. Ik kan het niet vinden. Nee, ik kan het niet vinden. Ik ben al bij mijn ouders geweest en hebben het nog niet.
Tak, deze na. Filipinos. Cover there na. Ampi na.
Oh my god.
Also. Sa mga gwaps, andito kami sa street sa mga bahay ng mga mayaman dito sa Netherlands. Ang lalaki ng mga bahay nila mga gwaps. So, ayan, isang bahay lang yan oh. May gate. Siguro mga mga famous siguro or parang mga businessman siguro. Baka bawal mag-video.
Maybe looking for Filipina? Ja, maar dit is een hele andere stijl dan dat.
Ito, isang bahay, isang may-ari lang nito. Ito din, oh.
They see niet veel bij Vietnam.
Malapit lang to sa amin mga gwaps. It's nearby. We can bike here.
Het is allemaal nieuw, misschien 10 jaar of zo.
Yeah. Nice house. Zijn dat ook één house?
Ja.
Oh, wow. Hindi siya isang building, isang may-ari lang talaga. Oh, hindi magkadikit yung kapitbahay.
Het is wel
Maar vroeger mochten we altijd
And
eentje.
een
Back-
oud huis hier.
back to our street. Back to reality.
Kijk hoe druk hier met de auto.
Back to our street mga gwaps. Ito yung realidad namin. Busy, mga auto, busy kayo.
Maar deze huis is
We also have a nice neighborhood.
gewoon voor de
I am also happy with our neighborhood. It's also nice.
kan je veel meer vriendinnen maken.
And there is a
Speeltuin.
playground.
En daar helemaal is een voetbalveld.
Yeah. So here is also children's friendly neighborhood kasi may playground sa malapit.
Close to the shops.
Close to the shops. Maybe for me it's not too close.
Because you're lazy.
What the heck?
So close to the shops with the bus.
I need tricycle to go to the shop.
Nee, auto. We hebben wel een beetje veel goud. Dit? Ja. This is a little bronze.
Okay.
Huh? Oh nee. Kom op. Help pakken.
They will get our gold.
Maar het is toch gewoon net.
Ja, maar dat weten hun niet. Kom eens hier. En dan zijn ze op boot.
Het is fake gold. Het is fake gold. Het is fake gold.
Don't come. Fake.
Don't come take our gold. Or you can take our gold. It's okay.
Fake. Anyway.
It's fake.
We're poor.
There's nothing left to us. We only have this gold. Gold.
This gold. Gold.
But
Fake gold.
fake gold. So it's ano na? Hala! Kwart voor 9.
Geen tijd meer.
Kwart before 9.
Maar het is dikke.
Pero ano lang kami ngayon mga gwaps. Maltite. Yung ready to eat na
Het is
pagkain.
weekend. Dus ik mag lang opblijven.
So ito for Chloe, the carbonara. And this is for me and Bana. We will share together. We also have leftover rice and also the leftover beef that I made. So we will just make a hole here like this. Another one. And put it in the microwave and heat up. And put it in the microwave.
For 400 seconds. No, 10,000 hours.
What? So long.
Ik heb honger.
10,000 days.
For 6 minutes.
10,000 days.
4 or 6? Is that 4 or 6? Yeah, what is it? 4 or 6?
4.
4 or 6?
Hey!
You said 4 or 6. Yeah, what is it? 4 or 6? Make up your mind.
Says 4 is like F-O-R 4 not 4 but 4.
4. Not 4, but 4.
Ay, ambot.
Dat betekent done.
What the? Are you saying I am done?
No, this cuckoo.
Late na kaayo may kay nananaw ko man may sa mga sa mga mayaman.
Morgen? Wat is Sunday? Is it next day?
Ako na ako to. And baka na-cry ba?
Ik zit hier, maar ik hoor niet meer te zingen. Papa, kijk.
Is it meds? Is it person? Is it a person? Is it a noun? Is it part of the body? Wow, miskin! Is it a titi? Is it a lubot?